Hello, my name is Nadia Slashova. Tell me please, do you want to feel more comfortable after your dinner? I present you papaya. This is a product of Coral Club company. I and my child and all my family like it so much. Papaya represents as tasty chewing tablets. It is a natural dietary supplement based on the juicy pulp of papaya. This product is developed in compliance with the best practices that help preserve nutritional value and other highly beneficial properties of this wonderful tropical fruit. Papaya is an excellent supplement that improves digestion, energizes, and helps one to recover from diseases and excessive work. Let's open it. Papaya. Great. So, sum up. Papaya improves the quality of the digestive process, has anti-inflammatory effect, helps restore damaged intestine and stomach mucosa, improves immune restore and metabolism, and increases general tone, energizes and boosts stamina. That's all. Thanks for your attention. Subscribe for my channel and see you next video. Bye.